They're sold out. That's right. The whole first run of these are sold out. I'm really proud of the Paulk Smart Bench. A couple of decades of iteration, of evolution, and ultimately revolution. Even though it's a simple and portable design, it is a no compromise bench. There's not another design from history or anything I've seen in contemporary times that I would trade even for this. This is, I know I'm biased being the designer, but there's nothing else on the market that could replace this for me. When I decided to offer it as a physical bench, boxed up, ready for assembly, that was a bit of a challenge. I tried it with an older design in the past. I still decided to give it one more try. Apparently, you like the idea because they're sold out. That's right. The whole first run of these are sold out. And I wasn't sure there was going to be a second run because getting it up and running, getting the packaging, the machine time, the labor to package it up and get it on the truck, and then the biggest one of all, the shipping, it wasn't a profitable venture. The acceptance of it, the market wanting it, I really love that aspect of it. But I realized that I wasn't going to be able to continue to offer it at those prices. I was going to have to raise my prices quite a bit, or I was going to have to bring the cost down to build the bench, to supply the bench. And I wasn't willing to compromise. I'm using ultralight plywood. It's the only material I want to use. I looked at some others that were quite a bit less. In fact, this is the most expensive plywood option that I have, but it's just the value is there. I'm looking at the bench as a lifetime thing, and it's a value proposition, not a cost. So I thought, well, I'm just going to have to raise the price. Got a lot of advice, talked to a lot of other people, and we found a shop, high-end shop that could build with this material and produce it at a higher volume, and really brought our cost down per bench without changing the materials, which allows me to maintain my pricing and actually working at maybe bringing it down just a little bit. So I'm excited about that. That's a positive direction. So we're sold out. Well, that whole first round is gone, but don't fear, I made a second order. So if you would like to get a Paulk Smart Workbench for yourself, go to the link in this video and put your order in, get in line for it. And as soon as they arrive, we'll start getting them out the door. We're hoping to be able to meet Christmas. We're not absolutely sure, but we will do our very best. Smart Woodshop fam, woodworking community, I really thank you for supporting this venture. And as I go forward, if this continues to work out, if I can continue to make it affordable for you and reasonable for me to produce, then I want to add some of the other benches and accessories, the station and the cart and the router tables and those things. So hopefully all of those things will come as I build out the physical system. In the meantime, if you do decide to get one of these benches for yourself, you can still get a set of plans to build yourself the cart or the router tables or any of the other things. Mahalo for supporting the Smart Workbench.